Librarians have long turned to narrated screencasts to help illustrate concepts in their tutorials. With the recent virtual transition, there is a need to step up our video creation game to make them more engaging. Doing so can be easier than you think, and often free. It begins with the visuals. PowerPoint is a program most professionals have some familiarity with, so we'll start there. That doesn't mean you should just go and grab one of the out-of-the-box templates Microsoft provides. There are plenty of beautiful, professional quality templates available for free elsewhere. Two great free sites are SlidesMania and Slides Carnival. They're both quite similar and provide a vast selection of styles to choose from. This template is available from Slides Carnival. The Blackboard-style background with light bulbs that symbolize great ideas make it a nice candidate for a tutorial or marketing video. Many of the slide templates provide unique fonts and graphics you can add throughout your presentation. In addition, there are also plenty of options that may seem more classroom or office related. Slide transitions are details that should not be overlooked. They allow your video to flow nicely from slide to slide and can even add a touch of creative interest. For templates that show a book, use the page curl transition to resemble turning pages. The paper crushing option works well for discussing a drafting process or idea development, while the airplane transition that matches the symbol for sending messages works great when indicating how someone might contact you or share item records. One of the easiest ways to add engagement to your video is by inserting animation. These can be simple touches, such as adding shapes to highlight where your audience should look on the screen. Here are a few of my go-to favorites. I provided the animation choice at the bottom for each. Zoom in to give viewers a better look at the section you're discussing. For search boxes, enter text with the white background using a wipe effect to capture the feel of typing. For drop-down menus, take a screenshot of the options and do another wipe down effect to display what they will see. Add a blank shape or one that is colored and slightly transparent to draw the eye to something small. Or find a graphic online for that added touch of whimsy. Graphics allow you to add images to highlight what you're discussing in your video. Be sure that the files you use are PNG files with transparent backgrounds, so it looks more professional than images with white backgrounds around them. Some great places to look for Creative Commons licensed pictures are Pixabay and even just Google. Google allows you to limit your search results to Creative Commons choices by selecting Tools below the search box and then Usage Rights. Once you get your presentation looking the way you'd like, record it using timings for your animations and transitions, save it as a movie file, and then export it to your desktop or another easily accessible folder. Another important element in engaging videos is sound. You may find it is appropriate to use a voiceover if your ideas are in-depth or complex. You can add a voiceover right in PowerPoint or use video creation software to enhance the voice quality. Consider purchasing a budget-friendly microphone online or in stores. I strongly recommend composing a script to keep you on track. Unlike when we speak in front of a classroom, online recording allows us to edit out the mistakes, the stutters, and the ums that distract our message and cause students' minds to wander. Music is another effect that will add a professional quality feature that the YouTube audience comes to expect. There are free sources for royalty-free songs that suit tutorials and marketing videos nicely. My favorites are Bensound and Free Music Archive. Scroll through and find the options that suit your content and simply download the tracks for free. Pay careful attention to each song's licensing information so you can give proper credit to the artist. Pull all your video elements together using some great video editing software. I will provide instructions on using iMovie for Macs. This user-friendly program allows you to simply upload your movie and your music file. If you've chosen to wait to do your voiceover, click the microphone icon and begin recording. This screenshot shows the presentation, the music, and the voiceover that make up my film. Take everything you've learned to the next level by using a green screen effect. The green screen effect is a great way to insert yourself right into the PowerPoint presentation you've just worked so hard to create. You need not worry about purchasing a green screen or designing a studio. Simply locate a free green background online and use it as your virtual background in Zoom. Then record your meeting. Upload this video to iMovie and select the green blue screen display option. This will overlay your Zoom meeting over your PowerPoint. This is a very useful option for online instructors who wish to add a personal touch in their lectures and help students feel more connected to their virtual environment. After finalizing your movie, share it directly to YouTube. This platform is great because it allows your video to be easily found and shared. It automatically provides subtitles, and it also provides easy channel marketing options. If you feel like students may find other tutorials in your channel helpful at understanding a certain concept, you can insert thumbnails near the end or at the end of your lecture video. Students may click on them for further learning. This is a great way to help students maximize learning and also a way to draw attention to other professional quality videos you'll have now created. Feel free to reach out and contact me to discuss any of these ideas further. Happy filming!